Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1982 Mercedes 300 SD. Beautiful car. It's been in the family for a long time, right guys? Finished in white with a blue interior. You inherited it from your uncle?
It was an uncle of mine, estate sale. He passed away in 2016. He owned it for 33 years. I think it's 38. I've had it for 3. Rarely use it, just Sunday cruiser.
Yeah.
Well maintained, tons of documentation on the previous 2 owners. And like I said, he probably put 200,000 of the 216 that's on the clock.
Wow.
It was very meticulously maintained. The interior is like almost a brand new car.
Yeah. These things hold up really well. And those diesels just run forever.
And it runs on the highway, 75, 80, no shimmy, no shake. Real great cruising car. Excellent miles per gallon.
Real lofty inside, nice big back seat. Got tons of receipts, original owner's manuals. Even the first aid kit's never been out of it. Everything's still intact. Nice straight body. Mostly original paint, it looks like.
Yes.
Man, this interior is beautiful. It's almost like he climbed in from the other side. Serious. There it is, 216,291. Odometer stopped though a little while ago, right?
A couple of years ago, but maybe another couple thousand on there.
That's about all you put, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Sunroof still works. Pretty impressive. Man, immaculate interior. Can you fire it up? Man, these things just run forever. You guys can check out the receipts and everything on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Let's pop the hood. And here she is. So reliable. Mechanical fuel injection. New alternator, new battery. Two buzzing around the block?
Yeah.
Man, so comfortable, right? Big roof too. So just about everything works, right?
Yeah.
What doesn't work?
Just the rear windows.
Okay.
Got to be looked at.
Sure.
The AC needs a charge. The power antenna. And the door lock, the actuator pump. I checked it. Just needs a new pump. It's about 150 bucks.
It's not too bad. Wood's in immaculate shape. Interior's like new.
Radio works. Block pump radio.
So smooth, you know?
Shifts perfectly.
These things were a lot of money in the day. 30, 35 grand?
37,000.
37,000. Wow. You buy one of these, 37,000 back in 82, it'll last you your whole life.
Look at this, no shimmy in the wheel, perfect.
Yeah, so nice.
Highway 75, 80, you don't even know you're moving.
This is when Mercedes really built them, you know?
Yes. Back in the day when it was East and West Germany.
Yep. They really took pride in their stuff.
And everything's replaceable, you know, everything could be rebuilt on these cars without any hassle. There's tons of parts, very easy to get parts for these.
Comfortable car.
Cruising 35, no problem. You don't even feel you moving.
Yeah, hands off the wheel. Awesome. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm here at 631-339-0399. You can also check out tons of photos on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks a lot.